right there. Because if that boom goes across, then we'll go swimming.
You know how to swim. We'll come and get you eventually.
That's why I have my life jacket on. I'll go in after you.
I'd just wave to you.
They'll come back and pick us up after the race. We'll either swim back or they'll pick us up, whichever gets there first.
I mean, this is the real world. I mean, I'm not going to get
Honey, go down below. Your bag's right there.
I got a pizza in my pocket.
You got
All right, Nick, you can stop leaning on that. Coming up a little bit. Probably.
oh, you're still in the middle.
All right, and pull it a little bit. So see, you got to pull a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. And right there, go ahead and lock her down. So you'll always want to keep the sail right at the end of the pull, and then the pull off of the, and then it'll be good.
So what's that?
How about you get it right now?
You don't have much more than this.
Right.
I don't think that's gonna get it done.
We could go pull down a little bit if we need to, but we are right on the mark.
You ever done it before?
No.
All right. So kind of stand somewhere where you're comfortable. And it can even be in there. Or it can be
Yeah, we'll
up
get
here.
underway.
Like,
Nick, topping lift down a little bit. Just a foot maybe. Right? A little bit more.
Look at the thing. I mean, it's almost
Perfect.
See how you get mine? That is pretty good. That curl, that's actually fast. So when you get that a little bit, you can snug it up another inch or two. And it's almost constant in and out.
Okay.
So like you want that breaking. So that might be a little more than you. So like I would put it in just and it's constant in and out the whole time.
Okay.
And it's like you have the keys to the motor. And all we do is say, look at the sail. Like
Yep.
that's the only thing that matters. Did you eat some coffee?
Yeah, you don't do
That's what I was coming back to do. What team was it?
Just do what I'm told.
Nick, find the binoculars. We have a mile, so it's gonna be small. So you have to do it. Well, I mean, I can't do it. So there's just a,
You take it up a little bit, Dave.
yeah, I'm gonna come up. There's no reference point for me other than the compass. So Nick, it'll be right in front of us when we do get there. It'll be a while. There's a little hole right here in the. We're not even done sailing yet, buddy.
So Scott, I don't know if you want to try to ease it a little bit. I know that's a little counterproductive what I was telling you. I'm just this is a tough condition to do it. So keep easing. And I'm even gonna bring that whole
Well, yeah, we'll go home sometime. Me? We brought two cars just in case.
So you got a fancy new Jeep.
I can't see anything.
You're not going to see it until we get up there. It's a mile away and
Well,
it's
then
a
why didn't you
stick.
tell me that? Why am I staying here?
I said to get them. We could actually watch the tape, you know.
Ooh.
Gun spot's doing well.
We good? You better eat every last crumb of it.
Looks like there's just a little lighter pressure where we are. Just in front of us looks a little bit darker. I think that's why they look good, because they're in a little bit more pressure. You have to get there. We go.
Yeah, stay back from that line.
Feeling a little breeze.
Mhm.
So you just constantly in and out. I mean, like in the mist, it's not huge in and out. The couple inches each time. You just try to, and I know it's super hard
When we
because
get closer to that.
we get some waves, it bounces, and the bounce is hard. So we gotta take just a tiny bit, try to see if you can get a curl.
There you go. It looked like that guy was hot, but good.
So is it a mile at
0.8.